Hi, this is Raj from Sportscars. I just wanted to do a quick update on this Porsche 911 Targa 4S that I had in stock. It was the 997 Gen 2 in Carrara white with red leather, with a whole host of sort of aftermarket modifications to the bodywork. So it had stripes down the sides with a little checker styling at the side, which was the same as the GT3. It had a little red strip around that front area there. The wheels were painted red. It had obviously this Techart Type 3 spoiler, which had red edges to it as well. And these chrome strips were blacked out with black vinyl as well. Oh, and the mirrors were wrapped in red as well. So that's all been taken off because it's been sold and the new owner wanted it to look a bit more in keeping with the standard car. So that's what we've done, is stripped all that off, had the wheels refurbed fully, so all the insides are clean and been repainted in what's called Porsche Gold at my refurbers, but actually it is the same colour as Satin Platinum, just slightly glossier because they lacquer the finish. The inside is all as it was, except the new owner wanted to have, even though it doesn't have the Sport Chrono dash stopwatch, they wanted it to have Sport and Sport Plus, which would come if you ordered the Sport Chrono Package Plus. Now that can be retrofitted, obviously not the dashboard clock unless you change the dash itself, but that can be retrofitted, and we've had that done. So now it's got Sport Plus. It already had the switchable sports exhaust and it already had PASM, but this section has been replaced with a section with those extra buttons. The car's been reprogrammed and we got the access code from Porsche directly, Porsche Germany. So this car now has Sport and Sport Plus, and I'll just show you, because this steering wheel doesn't have the little section here which lights up with Sport, Sport Plus and launch control. All those things are available on this car, but it shows you it on the dash. So I'm just going to grab the key to show you that. Here's all the paperwork and everything ready for the new owner. It's also got the aftermarket head unit there, which actually has the reversing camera. Right, so if I put it in reverse, there we go. So that's quite a nice little addition. It's also got the DAB aerial there in the windscreen. So it's got full DAB. Now when I press this button here, obviously that button will light up, but also it will now say Sport. And then if I press the Sport Plus, it will say Sport Plus. And it really does change how the gearbox behaves, completely transforms how this car behaves, both in Sport and Sport Plus. So yeah, it's a really nice addition. It's not, I can't do that well there. I can't do the switchable exhaust while it's turned off, but it does make a big difference, and I guess it's nice to know that can be retrofitted. It does take a little while to get the codes from Porsche. It does take a little while potentially to get that switch panel with the right combination for your car. So if your car doesn't have PASM, then there'll be a version without the PASM switch, and likewise if it doesn't have the switchable sports exhaust. And the same thing can be done when you order the PSE switchable sports exhaust. There'll be a new panel included with that order that basically gives you that additional button, as well as all the other bits you've already had on your car, your specific car. So that's all I wanted to say on this video, is just give you, as I said, a little update on how a car can be modified and then essentially largely brought back to standard. All the standard bits are here, so the wing, all of the components to reattach the wing are there and included with the car, and they'll go as a set. So there it is, the lovely Targa 4S, which we're saying goodbye to for the second time. I sold this last year at the same time, October 2020. It's now October 2021. So this one's been sold twice, and it's going to be thoroughly enjoyed. The lovely couple that are buying it have part exchanged a Boxster S manual, and they quite fancied having the PDK now. So yeah, a great car for them to enjoy and cherish. This wing has really grown on me now. I really do like that wing. Stunning thing. Well, I hope you found this video useful. Thanks for watching.